Google just dropped a bombshell. Google Assistant is officially being replaced by Gemini. That's right, the voice assistant we've all used for years is being phased out, and a new AI-powered experience is taking over. Over the next few months, Android and iOS users will be transitioned from Google Assistant to Gemini. And by the end of the year, Google Assistant will be completely gone from most devices. But here's where it gets interesting. Gemini isn't just another voice assistant. It's an advanced AI model designed to understand context better, provide deeper insights, and even generate creative content. Think ChatGPT but seamlessly integrated into your Google ecosystem. If you have an older Android device, say Android 9 or earlier with less than 2 gigabytes of RAM, you'll still have access to the classic assistant. But for everyone else, it's a full switch to Gemini. Google is also rolling out Gemini to tablets, smartwatches, connected devices, and even cars. That means your Google Nest speakers, Android Auto, and Pixel watches are all getting a major AI upgrade. But not everyone is thrilled. Some users fear Google is forcing AI on them without an option to stick with the traditional voice assistant. Others worry about privacy. Will Gemini collect even more personal data to enhance its AI capabilities? And here's the big question. Is this really an upgrade, or is Google just trying to push its AI agenda? What do you think? Will Gemini be better than Google Assistant? Or will this be another AI experiment that doesn't live up to the hype?